Rwa goma na tache county no Masia hoido ne kare tiegruok Masia National Polytechnic koro biro dhi nyime kod chenro mare chiwo oboke ne jotije mag lwedo mabende koro yango lony margi ma en chenro mabende no sida yango odiochieng' manyoro mana kaka imiwa report kod reporter marwa e county Masia George Amolo mabende makoro idwaro mondo mi jojua kali mawuok e county no koro ti kod thuolo makamano mondo mi gibede kod oboke ma puodhogi kaluwore kod lony magisebedo godo e tije mag lwedo.
Kano wuoyo kinde manyo gichako ayanga chenro no, japuonj maduong' mar kar tiegruok mar The Siaya National Polytechnic Commissioner Daniel Randa nofulo ni mae chenro mabiro konyo jotije mag lwedo go eko yudo oboke mayango lony magin godo.
The recognition of prior learning validates and acknowledges the skills acquired outside the traditional education setup, because in future you will not be allowed to practice a skill without a certificate.
Mage wacho ka MCA Masia Township Ward Migosi James Obiro Tare mabende mane wendo modhial osingo ni piny owacho Masia County oikore siro chenro no kokalo e chulo ne jopuonjre go omenda mag tiegruok.
We are launching a very important program for the people of Siaya County. We are going to pay the 20,500 for every student that is here as the pioneer. Sasa. So principal 3,000 chukua kwao badala ya 5,000, 20,500 the governor is going to pay. So the director is going to pay the 20,500 for the 68 students. But we are budgeting for the 200. So even those who have not come, let them come here, because what we are going to put in the budget is more than for 200 students for the Siaya County.
Kakore to director mochung'ne weche ohala e county ma Siaya Migosi Chris Owang to nopuoyo chenro no kendo jiwo jojua kale go eko mondo make motegno.
For far too long, many of skilled citizens, artisans and informal sector workers have lived and worked without formal recognition of their competencies. But the RPL framework offers a structured, credible way to formally recognize skills acquired outside traditional education. Skilled youth and adults who never completed formal schooling now have a pathway to certification, employment, and further education. This is not just a policy win. It is a life-changing opportunity that we have today in Siaya National Polytechnic. We must grab it.
Kajagoro mar riwruok mar jojua kale e county ma Siaya Migosi Benson Nyang'or to koro kwayo mana mondo mi winjruok mane gichwo e kogi gi kar tiegruogno koro jiw mondo bed mongirore.
Hii jambo tulianza kitambo sana hata kabla serikali hajaanza. Na leo Siaya imeingia National Polytechnic. Jambo la kwanza ni kwamba tulipoanza mwanzo tulisign memorandum of understanding between the institute and the Juakali. Now it is no longer an institute. It is a polytechnic. Naomba hii document ambayo tulisign iweze kurekebishwa. Ya pili, hiyo kazi inatakikana nje. Kuna shida ya language. So ningeomba hapa polytechnic tuwe na language school. Itakuwa ni advantage hata wakienda nje sasa watapata shida.
Ne Radio Ramogi County ma Siaya and George